Hey guys, this is Jared Weesey with Profiles That Pop, and today's profile pop-up is for Ranga. Now Ranga, you've got some competition and you've got a little bit of a difficulty here with your name. Even so, I'm not sure if that's a duplicate profile of yours by mistake, but if you didn't have such a long name, I believe, if we cut down to just this much right here, there's a whole bunch of people that have the same similar name, and that makes it really hard for you. I get it. But, ultimately, too, one of the problems that you're having is that if I put in the search for you and I find you, if I were to back up a second and I were to paste in here what your name is, we literally get two letters on the app. We can, in some places like this, we would literally see two letters of your headline. So the most important thing, if you can shrink your name down, try to find something unique about your name. I would also say, don't start off your profile because of that, especially with actively looking for, and even an internship. Tell us what you're great at. Tell us what you want to be doing. Tell us your passions. Get into the heart of it right away. You cannot afford to be spending 4, 5, 6 words in the beginning of your headline telling us about something you're actively looking for. Tell us what you offer. Tell us, flip it around and tell us right away you are a supply chain enthusiast, supply chain hero. Something, make it pop, make it stand out, and then you need to back all that up. I'm not just talking gimmicks here, guys. So then you need to back it up, and again, you repeat it here again. Actively seeking an internship. You're losing out on keywords. Do I want to tap on this, open it up, and read more? That's the question you need to be answering right away. So then I look in your, let's take a look. I haven't even looked at this beforehand. I'm just going through this blind. But here, you don't have a current position. That's huge. Even if your current position is being in school, like it looks like you are right here, you're pursuing your master's degree, you need a position that says that. I have another post I did about this, talking about you need a job to get one. It is super critical, otherwise you're not even going to show up in searches. So you've got a lot of licenses, certifications, that's all good, it would be expected. Taking another look here, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, that says nothing about supply chain. I wouldn't have those as my top skills. You've got 41 skills total, it looks like. I sure hope you've got other supply chain and that type of skills in here. There you go, logistics management, strategic planning, supply chain optimization. Get those top, and if you don't know how to do that, we can walk through that in the comments, but you need to have those be your top 3, and that way people come in here, they see it, they will endorse you for it like your friend here did, Akila. Now, otherwise, you've got projects, courses. Great that you've added 12 courses. That's great. It probably actually helps you with your SEO and getting found that way too. But again, you need that current job. Now also take a look at your URL. There might be an idea. Try to sync up the URL with your actual name that you're going to use. And also get rid of the competition, especially in your position. Let me know if that helped, guys, in the comments below. Need the comments to be able to help. Thank you.